because the inspiration of this carving journey came from my father, I wanted to name it after him too. So I'm named after my dad. My dad's name is Jim Stridden.
Beautiful.
My name's Jim Stridden, and my son, we've also named Jim Stridden. So hopefully he carves or us.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah. Beautiful,
But that's where the name came from.
Yeah.
The funny thing about my dad as well is he's full Balangi.
Right.
And I find it quite ironic that this talent that I have, that I use to bless our Pacifica communities with, came from my dad who's full Balangi. So
Right.
I just find it's been such a crazy journey for me.
Yeah. Is your dad still carving at the moment?
He still delves in it a little bit, nowhere near as much as he used to because, you know, he's got some issues with his back and he's not able to stand for as long. But yep, we got a piece at home that we're slowly working on. He's doing majority of it. I'm just watching him do it really.
Yeah.
But yeah, he still dives into it. We got a few projects that we're going to be working on together in the future, and he also attends pretty much all of my carving workshops. So he opens up the space and he helps people understand the essence of carving and not just the action of it.